Hi guys, today on Talkie Channel back with another video of reviewing fidget spinner. You might see a lot of fidget spinners video because now I'm kind of a big fan of fidget spinner now, but maybe that's the end of my Nerf collection. So you may see just those Nerf and you may see a lot of fidget spinner. So today I'm gonna review, you may see this one, the black one I reviewed, and this dizzy one. Dizzy. Wow. Yeah. So today what we're going to review is this thing. No, it's not kind of this thing, but it's a fidget spinner. But what's cool about this, there is a switch over here, which you turn on, makes lights. It makes, I don't know, can you see it? But it makes red, blue, and yellow. No, red, blue, and green. So here it is. Let me show you like this. Super cool. Sometimes the blue lights up, sometimes the blue does not light up, sometimes the red light up, sometimes the green don't light up. So this one's pretty good. See? Yeah, so this is pretty good. Let me put my camera angle like this. So then we can see it. So here it is. Look at that. How beautiful it is. How beautiful it could be. This is balanced. It's not unbalanced too much. You could try other, let me show you this side. You could try other tricks. Let me close the light. The battery gonna be died. It's hard. Let's try with this one. Whoa. Oh. But this one is hard. This one is super hard. This one is more easier. Oh God. Do you know that this is not the cap for it? The cap for it must be black. But I switched with my friend, which my friend has it red. So yeah. Yo, baby. Damn. Look at this. You can have fun party with it. Like, someone asks you like, hey dude, I want to have a party with you. Okay, let's have a party with my fidget spinner. Woo! See that? See that? And another thing, you may see the filter. It's a party filter. It's party! Woo! Okay, so that is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And peace out right now.